Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. Today, in this video, we are going to repair this 49-inch LG 4K Smart LED TV. The complaint in this TV is vertical lines on the screen along with a no display issue. As you can see, there is no proper graphics output on the display panel. You can clearly notice thick horizontal and vertical lines on the screen. As discussed earlier, these types of problems are mainly caused by internal shorting of gate signals inside the LCD panel glass. This shorting can occur on either the left side or the right side of the panel. If both side gate signals are shorted, then the panel becomes very difficult or impossible to repair. However, if the shorting is present on only one side, we can attempt a temporary repair using the taping method. Now, friends, we have already opened the TV back cover. Here you can see the power supply board and the motherboard. You may also notice that an alternate LG motherboard was installed earlier. That is why you can see small modifications on the power supply connectors and the motherboard, which were done during a previous repair. At present, the main complaint is display related, and this clearly confirms a panel fault. Now let's move on to the repair process. You can see that there are two FFC cables connected to the motherboard, one going to the left side of the panel and the other to the right side. First, we are going to remove the right side FFC cable. Using the taping method, we will block the gate signals entering the panel from this side. As you can see, the gate signals are now blocked, and the taping method is completed. Now, let's turn on the TV and check the picture. See, friends, the TV is now on, and the picture has appeared. The display is working normally again. But always remember, friends, this repair is only a temporary solution. The permanent solution is panel replacement. And we cannot predict how long the display will continue to work using this method. It completely depends on luck and panel condition. So that's it for today. Hope you like our channel. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get further notifications. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.